What's up, rebels? I got a lot of energy today, so this is gonna be a fun one, or a really obnoxious one, depending on what you're into. How many times have you heard somebody say, money isn't everything, you don't need money, like money is the root of all evil, like money doesn't equal happiness? Well, we all know that that's not necessarily true. It reminds me of that old Silverchair song from the 90s. Ugh, I'm sorry to do that to you, but trying to make my point. The point is, not having money kind of sucks. So money equals good, no money equals bad, so we should try and help you figure out how to get money and how to make money online. So in this video, that's what we're going to talk about. I'm going to give you 10 ways that you can make money online in the next 30 days. These are not necessarily full-blown businesses. We have plenty of other videos talking about that, but if you're in a pinch, if you need to pay your rent, if you need to make a couple extra bucks for various reasons, then these are some of the ways that I would get going. And a lot of these you can pretty much start right now, and you don't need skills or brand or business. You can just jump right in and start making money online. So that's what this video is all about. Let's roll that intro. Okay, if you're new to the channel, if you're new to Location Rebel, let me be the first person to say welcome. I am Sean Ogle, I'm the guy that runs this thing, and we teach you how to build small businesses that allow you to travel, spend more time doing the stuff you love, quit your job, and all of that good stuff. So we got new videos every week. Make sure to hit subscribe, and I'll probably tell you that again at the end of the video, but I wanted to mention it now because we got lots of good stuff. I want to make sure you don't miss it. So let's jump right into our 10 ways to make money online this month with no technical skills, background, or anything else necessary. So first up, Fiverr.com. Fiverr is a marketplace where people can offer all sorts of different services that they pay you $5 for. Or it could, be 10, 20, it could be a different price, but it all kind of started out with $5. So that could be anything from freelance work to designing you a logo to having a kid in Africa who's shirtless sing your friend happy birthday. I mean, there's all sorts of random stuff on Fiverr. So if you can do random things and you think someone might pay you for doing said random thing, well then hop on Fiverr, advertise what you do, and see if someone's willing to pay you for it. Again, probably not gonna make a ton of money, but if you've got a special skill, like if you can unicycle and juggle at the same time while singing happy birthday, there's probably someone who's gonna be willing to pay you for that. It's kind of weird because I can unicycle and juggle at the same time. Maybe I'm missing a business opportunity here. We'll save that for another video. 50,000 subscribers. When we get to 50,000 subscribers, you can see that. We got a ways to go. I think I'm safe. Number 2, usertesting.com. Basically, all you have to do at user testing is you sign up, they give you an app to go to, you go through and use the app, you talk about your experience while you're doing it, you record it, you share that experience, you talk about the things you like, the things you don't like, the things that don't make sense, the things that are great, and then when you're done, they pay you for it. It's great. You get paid for testing out apps, products, experiences, and everybody wins. The company gets actual user feedback and you make money. And again, you don't have to have a pre-existing business or any technical expertise. It's great. Usertesting.com, that's number 2. So the third one we've talked about a lot on here. If you have a blog, if you have a YouTube channel, if you have any sort of online presence, you can get into the Amazon affiliates program. Yes, essentially what that means is any product that's sold on Amazon, you can get a special link if your friend clicks on the link and then buy anything on Amazon over the course of, I think it's the next 24 hours, then you get paid. It's great. I'm not sure if you've noticed, but they sell a lot of stuff on Amazon. So pretty much anything somebody could want, they can get on Amazon. So if you've got a little bit of a brand, if you do reviews, if you have an email list and you send stuff out, include a few Amazon affiliate links and you can make some extra money. Again, you're probably not gonna make a ton of money from this, but it's a great way to get started. And as you do grow that business, you can start making more and more and more and more and on and on. We got a great video all about Amazon affiliate marketing, so check that out if you're interested in this. Man, I don't know why I've got so much energy right now. I've been tired all day. I slept in today. I've got kind of a headache. I don't know what's going on, but here I am just rambling and being more obnoxious than I usually am. So I'm sorry, or you're welcome. fourth way you can make money online today, or at least close to today, is eBay. Guaranteed, you have something in your house that is worth money that you're not using anymore that you can put up on eBay and sell, or Craigslist, or sell it online, or whatever. This is one of the first ways when I was thinking about how to make money online that I actually started doing that. I started selling like old camera gear. I started selling concert tickets at one point. I started selling a lot of stuff on eBay and actually made a pretty decent income from it when I was in college and first out of college and after I quit my job. So even though you're a little bit limited to what you have at first, that can be a great way to make some extra cash. And then if you do end up enjoying the whole process, then you can start being one of those people that goes to thrift stores or goes to estate sales and buys hidden gems and then resells it for more money. That could be a business in and of itself, and it's kind of like a mini treasure hunt, so kind of fun. So eBay, great way to make some extra cash this month. Okay, number 5, surveyjunkie.com. This is kind of similar to user testing, where you go to a website, you complete a survey, you get paid. And you got to do a lot of surveys to actually make real money, but hey, you don't have to have any technical experience. You can do it in your underwear from your laptop. It's a great thing. So, need to make money quickly, check out surveyjunkie.com. Again, I didn't promise I was going to make you $1 million. I said I'd make you money online. That could be $1, maybe 2, 10 if you're lucky. Or if you're really lucky and you actually like apply this stuff, because let's be real, most of you aren't going to do any of this, but you should because it's got a lot of potential, then you could make hundreds if not thousands of dollars. There's potential here. So I'd love to see someone do all 10 of these things and then report back to me in a month, because I bet you will make over $1,000. Moving right along, I'm trying to make this a faster video than some of the others because I tend to ramble. So number 6 is Upwork, freelancer.com, ProBlogger, job boards. There's all sorts of freelance job boards out there, and regardless of what type of skill you have, whether you're a writer, whether you're a designer, whether you're a marketer, whatever it is, there are opportunities for you. So go to these job boards, fill out your profile, start finding jobs that might fit your skill set, and start applying for them. This is like one of the big kind of introductory strategies we talk with when you get into freelance writing. It's not the best way to make money with freelance writing, but it is a way, and it is the easiest way to, get started if you're just trying to build some momentum, gain some traction, and start taking some steps in the right direction. Along with that, make sure to go check out our list of freelance writing jobs online. It is a list of over 100 different places that are hiring freelance writers and other freelancers. Over 100 of them. At least one of them's gotta give you some work, right? So go take a look. We got that link below or up here or all over the place. Check it out. All right, number 7, teespring.com. Teespring is a website where you can design your own t-shirts, your own sweatshirts, your own socks, your own mugs, your own merch. It's great because nothing actually gets made until you make a sale. So say the cost to make something is $10, then you get to set the price. So maybe you charge $20 for a shirt, it costs you $10 to make it, you profit $10. It's great because it's free to use. So if you've got any kind of design background, or if you have friends that have design background, you can design some cool stuff, go to them, list it, and then voila, make a sale. Away you go. This is generally something, if you want to be successful with this, you should probably set up a blog or a website or an e-commerce store, or maybe you've already got like a YouTube channel or something like that, and you want to have some merch that you can sell all for your brand and things like that. So it's a little bit more intensive, but it's great because there's no startup costs. You don't have to carry any inventory, and you can easily create branding and merch and things that you're interested in and make it easy for people to find it and buy it. Again, a little bit more involved than some of these other things. Like if you're gonna do this, you should probably treat this as a business, and it'll, maybe take a couple weeks to get you going, get you set up, and actually start making some sales. But it's a great business to get started with. It's got a relatively low barrier to entry. So check it out, teespring.com. Number 8, I've talked about this strategy in the past because I think it is probably the easiest way to make a good chunk of money very quickly, and that is through a hosting affiliate program. So if you've got any kind of basic website, apply for an affiliate program for a hosting company. Almost all of them have it, a web hosting company. So like Bluehost, HostGator, WP Engine, whatever it is. And if you get accepted into that affiliate program, there's a good chance they'll pay you anywhere from $50 to $100, even $200 per sale that you refer. So how does this work for you? So let's say you've got your website or you've got your blog set up, you get approved for their affiliate program, you've got a friend that wants a blog set up. You now have set it up. You know how to install WordPress. You know how to get a hosting account. You get them to get a hosting account through your affiliate link. So they click on the link that you give them, and they buy it. You get your $65, $100 commission, whatever it is, and then you help them with the basics of installing WordPress and getting their blog up and running. Boom, voila. You spend 2 hours helping them out, your friend's got a new blog, and you got $100 in your pocket. It's great. So if you use like Amazon, you might make like 66 cents or something on your first sale. The great thing about these affiliate programs is you can make like $100 relatively quickly, which is awesome. So if you have friends, if you have people in your world that have been interested in starting a website or starting a blog, then I would recommend offering to help them out, get approved for that affiliate program for one of the hosting companies, and away you go. Boom, money online. You're welcome. Okay, our last two are not necessarily ways to make money, but it's more ways to save money that you would have been spending. So in essence, you are going to have more money than you would have if you didn't do these things, if that makes sense. So number 9 is to go through, cancel all of the monthly subscriptions you're not using. If you're anything like me, over time, you end up with a lot of monthly subscriptions, the $10 a month thing, the $20 a month thing, whatever it is. Maybe it's a Patreon account for someone that you don't actually like watch anymore and you don't need to support their stuff. Maybe it's for Adobe Creative Cloud and you've been paying $50 a month for Illustrator and Premiere and you haven't done anything with it. Whatever it is, I'm willing to bet you probably have some monthly expenses that even if it's $10 a month, you know, that's $120 a year. And if you've got $20 a month, that's $240 a year. So you can probably save a few $100s a year simply by canceling subscriptions you're not using. So over the last couple months, I've personally saved $2,000 or $3,000 a year just simply canceling business tools and things that I wasn't using that I was paying for. So great way to make money is to cancel those things so that you're not paying the money, so that you get to keep that in your pocket, which in essence has you making more money. That made sense, right? Good. Okay, and our last tool to make money online, like I said, this is kind of a reverse way to make money, but it's a tool called Digit. So essentially what this does is you hook it up with your bank account, and then every time you put money in the bank account, it's gonna take a little bit of money. You can decide like what percentage, how little or how much, and it's gonna put it in a separate account over here. This is done completely seamlessly. You have no idea it's even happening. You tend to forget about it, and then 6 months from now, you look and you're like, oh, I got like $1,000 in this account over here just from automatically saving a little bit every month. And it's great because, you know, say your account gets down to 0, it's not going to overdraft you or anything like that. It's smart. It works pretty well. But let's say you want to save up for a new camera. Let's say you want to save up for a vacation. Let's say you want to save up to quit your job or whatever. This is a great way to build in a savings account without having to do any work and make it uncomfortable or anything like that. So like I said, this isn't necessarily a way to make money, but it's a way to get you more money because let's face it, if you didn't put this into that separate saving account, you'd probably spend it. So your future self 6 months from now is going to be saying, thank you for signing up for Digit and for this free money I found in this account over here. Okay, so there you go. Those are my 10 ways you can start making money online today, this month, right now, with no technical skills or background whatsoever. Again, are these strategies gonna make you rich? Are they gonna make you a millionaire? Probably not, but they can definitely help you bridge the gap while you're figuring out what type of long-term business you wanna create, while you're creating that bridge business that's gonna help you go from the job you don't like or being unemployed to being able to support yourself while having the freedom to do the things you want to do. All of these are kind of that middle ground to make that transition easier. So if you like this video, make sure to hit subscribe, hit that notification bell. You know where I'm going with this next one. I love the thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up. And if you're serious about building an online business, go to locationrebel.com/hi for our free 6-day email course all about how to build a lifestyle business that will allow you to do more of the stuff you love. Check out this video right here as well. I know you're going to love it. And with that, I'll see you later. Have a great day. Nope, not singing anymore. But I know you know the words. Feel free to sing at home. Nope, not happening. Cut. That's it. We're out. I'm done here.